Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall a lens on a Nikon camera, featuring Nikon D300. So, this is going to work on every Nikon camera, obviously, because Nikon has the same systems everywhere. So, as you can see, here is the dot, and on the lens, we are going to see it later, there's another dot. And now the lens is installed. To take it off, we need to hold this button right here on the left side of the camera, on the top, or if we are watching to the camera right here, right now, on the right side. And we need to press it and twist the lens to the right, like this. As I said earlier, here's two dots. The dot on a camera and a dot on a lens. And now we can take the lens off. And to install the lens, we don't need to really hold this right now, because it is going to go in even without holding this button. But you need to make sure that you are aligning these two dots in the same place right now. Oh, as you can see, the lens went in, and now we're just going to twist it to the left, right, like this, and you're going to hear a nice click, click, and now the lens is installed. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye.